this Aadhaar card. This is my PAN card, but I will just show you this is type of the one card that will be Aadhaar card. It will be acceptable. And if you are the validating your Aadhaar card by like this laminated Aadhaar card, then it will be not allowed. Hey, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I will explain you what kind of the different ID proof that we can use for the Microsoft online examination. So what is the ID rule for the verification process and how the ID verification will be conducted when you schedule your examination. So this video helpful for the who have the schedule their Microsoft certification exam in upcoming day, or the we were the planning for the any Microsoft certification by the using the Pearson VUE this platform. So I hope this video helpful. Also in this video I will try to cover for the question like the Aadhaar and PAN card acceptable or the rejected. So can we use the Aadhaar card and PAN card for the verification process? So all these question I will try to solve in this video. This video helpful for you. So without further delay, let's start the session. We'll check what IDs are the accepted for the Microsoft OnVUE this exam. What is the official policy? The checking the official policy. So if you're the schedule your Microsoft certification, then you will receive the one confirmation mail or the from the OnVUE this platform. So this is confirmation mail. In that confirmation mail, there is the one link acceptable from of the ID. So this is the link. You can click on that link and then we will redirect to the OnVUE this platform exam. So once you click on that link, then you will also redirect to the OnVUE this platform, and there is a third option is the proof of the ID. So you can check all the detail like the what kind of the ID that will be acceptable for in a check-in process. So during your examination, card mentioned here. Also there is the policy for the Aadhaar card. We have checked the officially rule for the identity verification. Now we will check the general ID requirement for the Microsoft certification. So what is the general ID requirement? So for example, this is the one ID card. So this is the driver license. Okay, so this is the driving license. When you provide this driving license for the verification process, then what kind of the general ID requirement for the verification? So first one is the most must be government issue. So this card or this ID will be issued by the government. So you can check that this is from the Union of the India. So this is the government ID proof. Then secondly, must be original and unexpired. No digital copy, no photo, no screenshot allowed for the verification process. So we can check there is the original and unexpired. So there is the one valid till. So there is the one expiry date. So it will be valid the identification card. Okay. Then third one is the must include the full name matching with the exam registration. Then recognizable photo and signature. So you can check there is a recognizable the photo and below is a recognizable signature in that card. So if it will be there, then this ID card will be valid. Then the last one is the must be PVC plastic hard card. Okay, so it format. Okay, so if you are the providing the any identification card, then it would be must be plastic hard card. Okay, not for the any laminated card or the any the paper print card. So it will be not valid. So no paper, no digital copy for the online proctoring system. So this is the general ID requirement. So which of the ID accepted by the worldwide for the Microsoft certification? So first one is the passport. So passport is the best option for the verification process for the Microsoft certification. So passport having the photo plus signature, and it is the best option for the verification process. So in a passport there is a valid photo and valid signature is there. So if you have the signature and photo, this is the it is acceptable by the verification process. Then second option is the driver license. So basically this is the second option, photo plus signature, and this is the good alternative option. If you have the not passport with you, then they can use the driving license. Okay, so in the driving license also same photo and signature also is there. So it will be valid signature and you have the recognizable the photo card. Okay, so this is second option. Then third one is the national or the state ID card. So it will also having the photo plus signature. For example, we can take the if you're the India, then you can Indian Aadhaar card with the PVC version. Okay, so what is the PVC version? We will check the in further slide. So Aadhaar card having the photo plus signature or the verification like the QR code, that it will be acceptable. Then last one is the resident card. So if you have any resident card, like the it having the photo plus signature for the non nationals. Okay, so for example in America there is a the green card. So if you have the green card, then it will be also acceptable. So it having the properly photo signature, valid signature is there or not. So this is the officially acceptable ID card worldwide. Okay, so it will be the first option or the best option for the verification. If you're the given the exam from the India, then which type of the ID that will be acceptable for the Microsoft examination? So first one is the international passport. So the passport having the first option is that the best option for the verification process. Then second is the driver license. So if you are having the driving license, that also acceptable. So it having the properly photo and signature on the your driving license. Then third one is a national state ID card. So if you're the in a national card or the any state card, that will also acceptable. Like the for example in India there is Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card having the PVC card. So plastic card it acceptable. So the Aadhaar card having the front side, back side, it will be properly accurate, like the your photo, then signature and the other detail. So it will be acceptable. Then the third one is the PAN PVC card, like the PAN card having the PVC, like the plastic PAN card, so it will also acceptable. So but why the Aadhaar card rejected for the my viewer? So that viewer saying that the problem or the issue with the self checking using the photo ID card. I have the tried to uploading the valid PVC Aadhaar card, but never passed me to take the backside ID card photo. So we will check Aadhaar card acceptable. Then what is the rule for the Aadhaar card acceptable? So based on the details, so this is the Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card is the acceptable. Yes. So Aadhaar card is acceptable only for the PVC Aadhaar card meet the strict requirement for the candidate in India. So Aadhaar card is accepted. So if it will be the new PVC plastic Aadhaar card issued by the issued by the UDI. So this is the authority that provides the Aadhaar card, and also it will be contain the photo, full name matching with the registration name. Then signature sometime it will be accepted in a policy. Aadhaar card itself maybe not show the signature field, so it will also then it will be also acceptable. Ghost image plus hologram, then the security pattern also in the Aadhaar card. Important is that laminated Aadhaar card not acceptable. So if you're using like this one the Aadhaar card, like the laminated Aadhaar card, so it will be not acceptable. So if you are the using this Aadhaar card, and if you are the validating your Aadhaar card by like this laminated Aadhaar card, then it will be not allow. And instead of that, there is the one Aadhaar card issued by the in, you can check in the image, or you can check this one. So this is the one plastic Aadhaar card, so it will be acceptable. Okay, so you can use this like this Aadhaar card. This is my PAN card, but I will just show you this is type of the one card that will be Aadhaar card, it will be acceptable. If you want, you can check the official policy for the Aadhaar card. So for that you can just go to the web browser. Once you click on that, you will redirect to the this OnVUE this platform, and there is a third tab, proof of the ID, and in there is one section Aadhaar card. So before that there is the one link Aadhaar card Aadhaar ID policy. You can just click on that link, then you will redirect to this PDF. So this is the PDF that clearly mentioned that for the policy for the Aadhaar card for the person with this examination. So you can check all the detail that already I have told you. You can check this is the one sample given by this PDF. So you can check there is the one ghost image, then the security pattern, holographic Aadhaar card logo, then detail in your Aadhaar card, then it will be valid. PAN card. So PAN card accepted or not? So yes, PAN card is also accepted, but it work as an alternate option. So I will suggest you can, if you have the driving license or if you have the passport, then you can use them. But if you have the not, then you can alternative you can use for the PAN card if it meet the all the ID requirement, like the government issue, then photo, then PAN card as on the PAN card, then signature on it, the name match exactly with your registration profile. PAN card often the work for the online Microsoft examination, it is the clearly show your photograph plus signature matching with your name for the avoiding the rejection of your ID. So first one is the upload clear front and back side during the check-in. So you can use the clear front end and back side image of your ID card during the check-in process. Then second, ensure the lighting is good, no there is a no glare or the no blur image that you can upload. Then third one, name on the ID must be match with your Microsoft exam profile exactly, including the spelling and the capitalization. Then last one, next one is the use the passport driver license if available. Those are the safest acceptable ID. So the passport and driving license is the safest acceptable ID. So you can give the priority them. Then lastly, if you are not sure about the ID type, contact Pearson VUE the support team before the exam day. They can definitely help you, and they will suggest you some guidance. Okay, so friends, in the video description box, you can check the all the link that I use for this video. And friends, thank you for your watching this video. If you have any question, any query, you can mention in comment box. Also, if you feel this video helpful for you, then please hit the like button. Also, share this video with your friends. Also, if you have any question, any the doubt regarding the Microsoft certification, you can definitely mention in comment box. I will definitely provide the answer on your question. So thank you and wish you happy learning.